So yet another West Indies team have lost yet another series, outclassed by Bangladesh in the just concluded ODI series. And look, no words are left to try and describe what is happening with West Indies cricket. Right now, Darren Sammy is the head coach, cook and bottle washer for all three formats. And the West Indies have proceeded to get worse and worse in all three formats. They are ranked at number 8 and worsening in Test cricket, number 9 and worsening in ODI cricket, and number 6 and worsening in T20 cricket. Now add that dismal and worsening record of Sammy to his pathetic, wimpish and shameless decision to invite Gautam Gambhir, the coach of India, that just beat the West Indies in the Test series. Sammy invites Gambhir into the West Indies dressing room to lecture the West Indies players. Now that, for me, is the last straw. Sammy, ta-ta!